front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it. Just exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll to hit App Management, which is located here. Tap on Default Apps and hit Home App to apply Apple layout by clicking on Launcher Pro. Wait for the pop-up to show, and when it does, hit Allow. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my app was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to your layout, go into Launcher app and follow all of the instructions inside. If you want to go back to your default launcher though, you need to access the same settings and click on your default one in Default Home App section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!